but I've got our next 3 pence. I'm not gonna lie, you girls are gonna have to stop lying down with these men that chat out your business, bare chattings. This is why Jada can come back and say what she's saying, because Burna was chatting Steph to her, sitting there pillow talking, bare chattings in her ear, bare chattings, and she was just clocking that up in her vote. She kept that. She photocopied that. She photocopied the chattings. She's got receipts, fam. Stop laying down with these man. He's waste, man. Big waste, man. Yeah, you're chatting your ex, blood. And Steph, do you know how mad you look? You got chatted on a whole song, and the worst thing is the song was big, so last. Everybody go chat breakfast. Hi, oh, dum. You should have left it from there. And then when you tried to come back with this, my man said, you can't release it. Take it on. You can't release it. Now he's allowed Jada to release a track that he was previously on. Do you know how mad you look? He also said that she's got the best pussy in Kingston. That's what I heard anyway. I'm just saying what I heard. And that's what I heard. I heard my man said, technically, on a Tekker's thing, technically, he said that her pussy's better than yours. That's, you know, just to simplify it, put it in simpler terms, that is what he said. So you know what? You know who else deserves a box, Steph? And if you don't do it, I swear down, we've got an issue. You need to go clean in Nigeria and box Burna too. Bonus box. Give him a bonus box. You need to box Jada. You need to go to Kingston because you said, you know, because you said on that track that you was going to box her. So I'm just, you know, hoping that that is what you're going to do. You're not one of those girls that say you're going to do something and then you don't do it. Because you know them girls are waste gal that say they're going to box someone and then they don't do it. You're not a waste gal, are you? I'm just saying, and I wouldn't have that if I was you. But what I'm saying is, box Jada and then go clean the Nigeria and box Burna because he's out of order. He was chatting your business, babe. That's what I heard anyway. That's what I'm just saying. What I'm hearing. I'm not to be mixy. I'm not trying to be mixed up or nothing. You get me? But what I'm saying is, box my man. Cause my man was chatting your business.